Hey, Welsh Metals here. Today I'm making some chain inches. Working on some silver plated chain inches here, making a 6-inch piece. As you can see, there's only an inch left. And I've also been making lots of gold inches. Each one of those ones are an inch, and the longer ones are 6 inches. From these tiny little split rings, which are absolutely tiny. Look at the scale from there. A lot of these are 1mm on the inside or less, you can see that. For example, move one there. Look at that. There's about 3mm on the edges and about 2 on the inside. So very small indeed to work with, quite difficult. Very fiddly work. Won't be doing too much of this, as you can see I only need an inch. The reason I'm doing this is it helps with pre-measuring chains when it's required. When it's required to make like a 18-inch chain, 24-inch chains and such. So it helps with that. Pre-measuring chains. That way I only have to take out the amount of inches that I need and assemble them. So great for things like custom orders and such. These are quite fine bracelets, chain. They do make nice bracelets though. Bit thin though for my taste. However, they are great for things like charms. That's very fine chain. As you can see, I'm working on here. It's quite tricky. It's a very small scale. Better to take it slow. Smaller the split rings, the longer this will take. I've actually worked with smaller ones again, smaller than this, from a Rolo chain, or Rolo style chain. Doing some jewellery repairs. That was really difficult, even with magnification. This is about the limit of my dexterity without completely different tools. Probably help if I had smaller hands. But I haven't. Coming along nicely. It's just silver plated material, this. Likely steel, or judging by the weight I'd say maybe it could be aluminium even. So gold and silver plated. Which does present an issue, because if you squeeze these too much, some of the plating actually can come off, which leaves you with the bare metal underneath. A bit like a paperclip rusting or some such. So, am I there yet? Haha, almost exactly. Now, assemble that. 6-inch piece. It can be tricky to even see where the split in the rings are, due to the scale of them. Well, I'd say it's 2 split rings too long. So take a couple of them off. Wow, one fell on my carpet. Good job they're shiny. I would have never found that. There we go, 6 inches of silver plated chain. Let's go with the gold chains here. Let's have a quick look. So that was pre-measuring chain inches. Till next time.